The mythic and scriptural records maintain that earthbound witnesses not only saw the explosion of light, but heard it as well. The sound of the explosion was interpreted to be a mighty shout, among other things. This raises an obvious question. Since sound cannot travel through a vacuum, then how did the sound of an event originating from one or more of the planets Saturn, Venus, or Mars reach Earth? Sound, as science defines it, is an audible vibration or wave that travels through a medium. It is also the reception and perception of that wave by the brain. Since sound is a wave or vibration, by its very nature it requires a medium to travel through. It requires some form of matter. Today's scientific community believes that outer space, the void between celestial bodies, is an almost perfect vacuum. Of course, this claim comes with a caveat. There actually is matter in the so-called vacuum of outer space. In other words, there is matter in outer space which constitutes a medium capable of propagating wave-like phenomena such as light and sound. Still, scientists claim that the vacuum of space is its fundamental state in an attempt to distance itself from earlier scientific models. Yet scientists cannot fully divorce themselves from the concept of an ether-like medium in space. Astronomers say that there is matter between star systems within a galaxy, including gas and dust. They call this matter the interstellar medium. Australian physicist Wal Thornhill has proposed that there is an ether in space, but that it is not recognized as such. The ether is simply composed of neutrinos. However science parses its claims, there is matter in space, and it is a medium for the propagation of sound. Nevertheless, neither the ether nor the galactic interstellar medium can explain the ancient claims that a loud roaring sound, interpreted as a shout, was heard from the planets above, Saturn, Venus, and Mars. We know the planets make sounds today, sounds which can only be received by specially designed antennas attached to probes during near flybys. Yet we cannot hear the sounds from the planets today without the aid of sophisticated technology in close proximity. The explanation for ancient mankind hearing loud sounds from the planetary creator gods can only be that these planets were very close to Earth and were physically connected through a sound-propagating medium.